Thousands of identical boxes, perfectly aligned pallets, a finished product ready to be shipped worldwide. What looks like a simple t-shirt is, in reality, the final result of a massive industrial system, precise, synchronized, and relentless. This facility never slows down. Conveyor belts move with mechanical discipline. Robotic arms repeat the same motion thousands of times without error. Every second counts. Every movement matters. Behind each packaged item stands a factory designed for scale. Machines, people, and software work as one organism, controlled, measured, optimized. From the outside, it's just another industrial building. But inside, raw materials are transformed into identity. Fabric becomes form. Color becomes message. This is where merchandise is not just produced, it is engineered. At the center of it all is the mark itself. A print that must endure pressure, movement, time, sharp lines, dense ink, absolute consistency. This symbol represents more than branding. It carries recognition, performance, and legacy. Before it reaches fans around the world, it must first survive this place. A factory built for precision, repetition, and scale. This is how John Cena's merchandise is made.
The press is cycling too fast.
We need to shut it down!
Every product begins long before it looks like a finished garment. Here, everything starts with raw material. Fabric delivered in massive rolls, stored, cataloged, and prepared for precision work. At this stage, quality is defined at the most basic level. Fiber density, weave consistency, surface integrity. What may seem identical to the naked eye is carefully inspected by machines and human hands alike. Automated feed systems pull the fabric forward with controlled tension. No wrinkles, no deviation. Once separated, each component is sorted by size, type, and production sequence. Nothing moves forward without verification. Edges are checked, measurements confirmed, imperfections removed before they can enter the next stage. Only after passing this control does the fabric advance, not as raw material anymore, but as the foundation of a finished product. This is where the product gains its identity. The words are simple, but the meaning is not. You can't see me. Respect, loyalty. These are not just graphics. They are values that define John Cena's merchandise and the audience that wears it. Before leaving the factory, every garment is inspected. Seams are tested, prints are stretched, and structure is verified under pressure. The words, "You can't see me," respect, and loyalty must remain clear and durable. Only pieces that meet strict standards move forward. This is how John Cena's merchandise maintains consistency, reliability, and meaning. Once production is complete, each garment moves into its final stage. Items are folded with precision, sealed for protection, and labeled for exact distribution. Every action here follows a system built for consistency and scale. The messages printed on the fabric, "You can't see me," respect, and loyalty, are no longer just words. They are finalized symbols, ready to leave the factory. This merchandise represents more than a product line. It reflects years of discipline, performance, and commitment tied to the legacy of John Cena. From here, it moves out into the world, to those who recognize what it stands for. Thank you for the career, champion.